In this video, we are going to talk about chicken production in Mexico.
The UNA, in Spanish Unión Nacional de Avicultores, is one of the most important organizations that controls aviculture in Mexico.
The meat that has the most demanding consumption in Mexico are chicken, beef, and pork. Research made by UNA stated that in 2008, Mexico produced 2,807,000 tons of eggs and 2,853,000 tons of chicken.
Mexico consumes a lot of laid eggs. In fact, a recent study showed that Mexico is the #1 consumer of eggs. We are talking worldwide. In Mexico, the poultry farming generates a lot of jobs and helps the economy. A recent study by UNA did found that poultry farming generates 1,004,000 jobs, mainly in rural areas, but that are where poultry farms are located.
Mexico is the fourth largest producer of chicken and the fifth largest producer of eggs. But how do they produce so much chicken to fill all the demand? Here we are going to show you how.
First stage is the incubation, where eggs are brought from farms. They put them into a controlled environment to let the chicken hatch faster and with no problems. This step takes 18 days. When they hatch, they classify the chicken by its gender and quality of the chicken.
The next step is the farm. This step is where the chickens are fed. To make this process faster, they add vitamins and nutrients to their food, until they are big enough to get to the next step.
The next step is bed recollection. Once the chickens get to the ideal weight to commercialize, it proceeds to its recollection and transportation to slaughter.
The next step is the ante-mortem inspection. In this step, they inspect chicken in order to be sure that they are healthy and free from any contamination. Chickens are kept in fast to prevent contaminations in the meat.
The UNA is in charge of regulating the human treatment of these chickens. Some of the most important laws made to contribute to animal rights are:
1995, the Norma Oficial Mexicana states there must be a human slaughter of domestic and wild animals.
Another law stated by the Norma Oficial Mexicana is that humane treatment in the transportation of the animal is regulated by the UNA. Here are some recommendations to ensure that you are buying good chicken that was produced in the right condition and slaughtered with humane and painless methods.
You can see the quality of the meat by following these steps.
Buy free-range chicken if possible. This ensures that the chicken lives freely and it is free of any chemical.
Certified organic. This means they are free from chemicals, antibiotics, and other things you do not want to eat. No hormones. That means chicken grew naturally and without the use of any chemical to make the growing process faster. Certified human, raised and killed. The name says it all.
Check the color and the smell. It should be odorless and have a light pink color. Check the consistency of the chicken. It should be firm.
The chicken product is very important to ensure the stability of the economy and to fill the demand. This is good because it helps the economy and fulfills Mexico's demand of chicken.
Big enterprise abuse, and to maximize chicken production they skip all the rules that apply and treat animals like a production object, not like a living thing. I think it needs to be a balance that ensures that both parts, demand and human rights, are satisfied.